kind of noise you can see right here. These are very disgusting when you take a video. These are very hazy that until there is a uh, maximum amount of light is there. Otherwise it's very hazy, it's very noisy. You can see right here. Let's go to the camera app, then go to the video section, ultra wide. There is some kind of horizontal noise pattern in the camera of Pixel 7 Pro, and I can see that in 8 Pro and 9 Pro also. Let's demonstrate that. When you start some kind of horizontal noise pattern, I can see right here. You can see right here. So there is visible very much. These are, so you can see these are horizontal noise patterns, and these are very disgusting when you shoot a video then see something like that. When you go to the 1x, there is still noise, but uh, some pixel dots kind of noise. When you go further and hit 5x, no, it's not working 5x. While screen recording, the microphone captures good amount of sound rather than the actual video captures. I don't know why this happens. Now look at the actual noise it captures while it's dark. Whenever it sees any dark thing, it applies this kind of weird horizontal noise patterns, and this is very disgusting and it is unusable. Especially the front video camera captures too much noise and these horizontal noise patterns. You may think that the camera app isn't updated, but the truth is I updated and later I deleted the updates seeing this amount of noise, but the main version also has this noise. I don't know why, and it is in Android 16.